Here is an uncomfortable question for UK independent schools in 2026. The model is excellent. Small classes, expert teachers, structured prep, weekly tutorials, real pastoral care. It has worked for 150 years. But even the finest school cannot give every single child one-to-one Socratic attention every single day. This is not a criticism of independent schools. It is simple arithmetic. A teacher with a class of 12, however gifted, cannot sit beside each child through every piece of prep. So the inherited model delivers brilliant teaching to the room and a weekly tutorial to the child. What it cannot deliver is patient, one-to-one questioning on a Tuesday night when a child is quietly stuck. What an upgraded philosophy looks like is not less school. It is the school's own Socratic tradition, extended to every evening. The shift is from delivering content to forming judgment, from banning AI to teaching its careful use, from the essay alone to the essay plus a short oral defense, and from rote practice in class to adaptive practice a tutor can run at home. And this is not one subject. Mentor sits at the center of a whole faculty: maths, English, biology, chemistry, physics, history, and geography. Every professor questions the same Socratic way the best school tutorial does, refusing the answer and guiding the thinking. It is a common room that never closes, working alongside the teachers, not in place of them. And like any good housemaster, mentor checks the child before the work. Green means push on. Amber means lighter work tonight. Red can mean rest, because a tired or anxious child does not learn well. Well-being comes before any worksheet, exactly as a good school would insist. Independent schools are excellent, and this is meant to augment them, never to replace them. It cannot give your child their teacher, their friends, or their house, but it can close the daily one-to-one gap. We are now inviting our first 100 founding member families to aitutors.me. Learn more at aitutors.me.